Soundpeats.
Well, another day, another Soundpeats earbuds. This time is Air 5 Pro. This time, I'm going to do a reverse review. We'll start with the conclusion, which is great, especially for the price. It's about 130 Canadian, so yeah, it's about 80 bucks US. I based the pricing from Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. As usual, just like any other Soundpeats, the build quality is amazing, especially for the price again. And as far as the look goes, I like it as well. It looks expensive. It does not look like those cheapo white colored earbuds. It feels great in my hand and inside my ears. In the box, they provide all kinds of ear tips from small, medium, large, and also they provide a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging the battery. When you use the Soundpeats app, you can change the transparency of your earbuds, customize your EQ, and the nicest thing about it is that you don't need to use this app after you've done your initial setup. It has a 55 dB rating of noise cancellation, and the rating of 7.5 hours in continuous usage has been proven by me over and over again that it actually lasts for about 8 hours of listening time. The only drawback that I can see is that the case, it's very slippery, at least in my hands. And comparing the earbuds to Apple AirPods Pro 2, these earbuds are slightly better than an AirPods Pro 2 at only 1/3 of the price of an AirPods Pro 2. Better yet, the Soundpeats also feels better, feels more luxurious, look more luxurious than the AirPods Pro 2. Honestly, I can't find anything wrong with this unit at all. So, buy this unit from the link I have in my description. Click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.